Let's talk about hot corners. Hot corners lets you instantly turn any of the corners of your Mac into a quick action button. To activate this, we'll open up your system settings, and then in the search, just type in hot corner. From here, you can tap on the button that says hot corner shortcuts, and this is going to open up your hot corners. Now you can go ahead and select any of the options that are available to you, like going into mission control, showing your apps, opening a quick note, whatever it may be. Now, if you want to, you can also hold down on one of your modifier keys, like Command. So if you hold Command, you'll notice that it now changes that in order for it to activate this hot corner, you have to hold down Command and then move your cursor to one of those corners. So let's select the Command and Quick Note button here. So once I select that, you'll notice that my hot corner shows Quick Note, Command, and I can then tap on Done. So once I hold down the Command key on my Mac and then move my cursor to the top right hand corner, it opens up a quick note for me. And that's how easy it is to use hot corners on your Mac.